Making your own homemade pizza is easier than you might think, requiring fewer than 10 ingredients and just a few simple steps. Start with a hot oven to ensure a crispy crust. Combine 1.5 cups of self-rising flour with 1 cup of plain Greek yogurt for a 12-inch pizza. Or double the ingredients for a larger size. Knead the dough until smooth, then press it evenly into a greased pan. Pre-bake the crust for about 5 minutes. For the sauce, mix 3 to 3.5 cups of tomato puree with minced garlic and red wine vinegar. Spread the sauce on the crust to add your choice of cheese like mozzarella or other varieties and your favorite toppings, whether they be meats or vegetables. Bake for another 5 to 7 minutes until everything is bubbly and golden. Serve with a sprinkle of red pepper flakes if you like it spicy, and enjoy with side dishes like garlic green beans or salad. Store any leftovers in a sealable plastic bag in the fridge for up to 4 days.